Hello everyone, this is Leveto Nazareth and I'm the Chief Strategist at Prism Digital. How to use Google My Business to grow your business. Have you heard of Google My Business? It's one of the fastest growing free platforms that you most probably never have used. So if you want to know how to use Google My Business to grow your business and leads by over 10x, follow us on YouTube and TikTok as well, and watch this video. We all know that people have been using Google as a primary source of information to get their answers for all their queries for years. Now, however, Google is emerging as a primary medium for businesses to actually showcase their product and services online. 9 out of every 10 people use Google My Business on search engine. Now, how will you target these people searching for businesses on Google? Yes, you got this right. GMB or Google My Business was launched in 2014 and has seen a steady rise ever since. So if your company does not have a GMB profile, you most probably have been missing out on a whole bunch of leads. So step 1, please create your GMB profile and get it populated with all the contents you need for your business, right? From your business name, picture, logo, cover, business timings, and all the other good stuff that you need that Google tells you what it wants. Just having a Google profile is not important. It's important to optimize your Google GMB profile so that it boosts your website and puts it in the forefront of all businesses on Google for people to find your business online. So in this video, you will learn everything about optimizing and posting on your GMB profile so that you can benefit from a greater outreach and visibility capabilities. So step 1, how to optimize your GMB profile. First and foremost, it's important to have a GMB profile, as I said earlier. But then if you want to optimize it, you need to know the step-by-step process of determining and implementing all the changes we have suggested on your GMB profile. And I've written a detailed blog on it, which is there as a link in the description. Now let's get back to posting on GMB. So what are Google Posts? It's a tool through which you can share messages directly from your Google My Business dashboard. They are the content blurbs that appear on Google Maps or search results if your business knowledge graph is displayed on GMB. Now, primarily, these posts were only available to a handful of industries. But recently, Google made this feature available to all verified GMB users. Moving on, you might ask, what is the benefit of these GMB posts for my business? GMB posts can be effectively used to boost the visibility of your most recent product announcements, features, services, and sales. Moreover, you can share text, link, and photos on the GMB knowledge panel along with your map listing or location. Now, how does it benefit you? It benefits you by directly showing up in the search results at the most appropriate stage of the buyer's journey. Now, Google introduced this GMB feature to help its users find all the relevant information about local businesses without the need for multiple clicks. It only elevates the customer's experience and helps the local business getting recognition and more exposure in the online community. These posts appear at the bottom of your My Google Business Knowledge panel. Although creating GMB posts is easy, but Google is very strict about its policies. And it's very important that you are fully aware of the GMB content policy. Keep in mind that any kind of content that is irrelevant to the business should not be added to the post. The content posted in the post should not be misleading in any way. Any information that is being posted should be error-free, clear, and to the point. Be careful about spelling or grammatical mistakes as they are not allowed. Any kind of negative content is also prohibited, and links to malware, viruses, or any other irrelevant site are strictly banned. These kind of posts should not have any kind of harassing, bullying, or inappropriate content. These kind of contents are definitely not allowed, and Google takes strict action against it. Remember also not to post any kind of private or confidential information like credit card details or something like that, because privacy of the customers are Google first priority. Now back to our core topic. So if you don't know how to create a Google post, don't worry. Just check out my blog and follow the step-by-step process in it, and you'll be good to go. The link to the blog is in the bio. There are different types of Google posts that can be created. So let's discuss them so that you understand what you can do to boost your GMB profile. Number one is COVID-19 update. The first type of post is the COVID-19 update, which helps your customers keep updated about the changes to your business due to the pandemic. Now, hopefully, this edition will not stay for a very long time, but in the time being, it's a very effective way of keeping your customers updated and engaged, and these kind of updates last for 14 days. Offer posts. Offer posts are great if your business has a special offer going on with a specific time limit. In these kind of posts, you add a start and end date for the offer, a headline and a description, and disclaimers that the post will stay live only for this certain amount of time. A third type of post is an update post. This type of post is dedicated to the news about any kind of changes in your business, service, or product. It's to inform your customers about any new updates in your business. The fourth kind of post is called an event post. So this post is an event-related post and is used to keep your customers updated on any kind of upcoming events in the near future. You need to add a title for this post along with the specifications like the time and day and time for the event. You can also put the location through the Google Map listing. The fifth type of post is the product and service type. This type of posts basically allow you to add a description of your products along with the picture. GMB does not allow online purchasing for now. It only allows the description of the product. So the customer will then have to switch to your website and go to your e-commerce store to buy the product. You can also add the product name, the category, the description along with the price. You can even add a call to action or a CTA. Now, I can't stress enough how important it is to add photos and videos to your posts and to your profile. It is important to grab the visitor's attention. So try to add clear pictures in a suitable image size. The recommended size is 1200 by 900 pixels, and you can only post short videos for 10 to 30 seconds. What is geotagging and how it can boost your local SEO? One important aspect of posting photos or videos that many people forget is geotagging. Geotagging is the process where you add geographical information as metadata into your photos or your videos. It includes latitude and longitude and also includes locational data. Geotagging is one of the primary aspects of local SEO that helps search engine identify the link between the information that you're sharing and your exact live geographical location. Moreover, most of the time, searchers add geographical data in their searches. So, geotagging your photos will allow your post to relate more and show up when a location-based query is made. Geotagging will allow your images to be identified easily by search engines and potentially show up on the search engine ranking. What to keep in mind while posting on GMB? Remember, on GMB, your posts will be viewed both on desktop as well as mobile devices. So you have to try your best to optimize the content in such a way that it's suitable for both. The post should not contain more than 1,500 characters and with the switch of the device that it is being viewed on. The content will get cut off, so you need to try to keep your content as precise and informative as possible. Rejection of GMB posts by Google. Lastly, let's discuss the rejection of the posts. Now, your post will get rejected if you violate any of the GMB policy points which have been stated earlier into this blog. Now, most of the time, the post gets rejected due to inappropriate photos or videos used, and Google also rejects posts that contain any kind of sensitive or harassment-based content. How to avoid rejection of your posts by GMB? There are a few steps that you can take to avoid post rejection. First is try to exclude all website URLs, phone numbers, or email addresses from your GMB posts. Using all caps or stock photos also can trigger rejection of the post. Don't use hashtags in your GMB posts as they are completely useless. Be careful in your choice of words because words that might seem benign to you might be offensive to the Google algorithm. This is it for today's video, guys. Do try and implement the steps explained in this video and see the wonders happening. Share your experience with us in the comment section and don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thank you, goodbye, and God bless.